Hi everybody, it's Marianne and this is Marianne's Creative Mix and I've been gone a long time, as I probably think you know why. We are still in stay in place with the coronavirus and um, here in the state that I live in, Arizona, we are just starting to see a little bit of a spike going on, even though we are starting to open up different locations and putting into place some restrictions. So we shall see how that goes, and hopefully we will all stay safe. I have not been feeling the creative vibe, although I have been doing. You see how long the hair has gotten? I have been doing some knitting, a little bit of beading. Let me show you the beading I've done. My big thing is I would like to know what you would like. Let me put on some lighting over here. There we go. And the beading, I got a 2 months of subscriptions to the Atomic Bead Box. And let's see, which one is it? This is it. This is the bead, one of the assignments they gave us. Here it is. Kind of cute. Oops, sorry. Package to go to a relative. Isn't that cute? Really cute little design. So I took that, went to get some other leaves that I had picked up from them, and I made this one, which is similar, only I replaced the beading. So sometimes you have to change the amount of beads you put on it. I then made some earrings to match that other one. There we go. That's it. And then I took the assignment and went with putting on my own, developing my own toggle and clasp. And I made that one smaller. That one I hope is going to fit a relative. And I'm sending them off with this. You can put it into a little charm or on a necklace. It's going in the mail eventually. And I'll tag in the show more in the bottom where I got this inspiration from. This was a envelope that you get to send your mail back for a bill. We pay our bill online, and that's where that came from. And so I will connect to the person that was doing this. I'll show you the inside. I have acrylic paper, watercolor paper, vintage paper, graph paper, and I also put in a coloring sheet in the center. And so what I'm doing is I'm waiting for it to kind of get used to being like that. I have to get some elastic. I thought I had some, but can't seem to find it. Reason why probably is because I did a major cleanup in here. Yeah, I wasn't very productive in doing my being there. Thanks for being patient with me, and I certainly appreciate it. I have had a hard time watching videos as well, so it's not just the fact that I just didn't feel the urge to upload stuff. And like I said, I did some real KonMari in here, and I actually had a consultant help me. I'll put her link down in the bottom below. And we took 2 weeks where we were working on this. If that's something you're interested in, let me just say that you need to be prepared to really purge. I was prepared. I was overwhelmed with everything that was here. I couldn't find anything. I just felt like I could not get my mind straight into doing something. So that's why it worked very well. We did a lot. We did the garage, we did this room, we did my laundry room, my bedroom, my closet, and the bathroom. So there's quite a bit that we got done and it was well worth it, because when I walk in here now, I know exactly what I have and where it is, and that's where it goes back to. And I feel very relieved. I feel more inspired now than I did before. I shared some of the stuff that I got rid of with a family, and what was really nice is that they ended up making not only holiday cards for Mother's Day, but they also made some cards to send to a nursing home. And I thought that was so nice. That was really, it just lifted my spirits more so than I could anything else would have. Knowing that that it gave them access to stuff, because I gave them paper, stamps, a cutter, lots and lots of stuff, and I just felt like it's so pleasing to know that someone actually put it to good use. Yes, I know that if you donate the objects to people in different donation centers, that people buying them are getting them at a nice price. But I knew this family and I knew their kids, and it sort of made me very happy in my heart, and that was great. Because the schools are down, a lot of my stuff would have gone there, as it has in the past, but there was just, everything is closed, so there was no place to bring it. And that's the way life is right now. I wish you well. I hope you come back. Please give me a comment below. Let me know what you're interested in. I'd love to be able to make a video that would kind of make you happy. And that's why I'm here, I think, to just kind of have a purpose in life. And that's it. See you next time, and stay safe.